I am Okocha Happy Marcel and this is my channel. Following the postponement of previously scheduled Saturday gubernatorial and State House of Assembly election across the country by the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC), so many aspirants, especially gubernatorial aspirants, has gone back to the drawing board and rescheduled their internal campaign to achieve victory comes March 18. In Delta State, the PDP gubernatorial candidate Right Honorable Sheriff Francis has been endorsed by Ohanaeze Ndi Igbo in Effurun today.
And distinguished members of the state deputies of Sheriff. Sir, you've done us well. 100% of which is support will be granted you, sir. I tell people, PDP people, they are my customers, just like sir, your excellency, your customer to Nantu. And a lot of PDP people are my customers, they buy from me. So I tell someone that Oborevwori is very far from me and Ope. So you better choose close. It's wisdom for you to choose. Some places are far, some are closer. Without doubting you, sir, we are not afraid that who we are will be a new face. We are not afraid. We are not afraid, sir. And we have had some opportunities for other people to come and see us. We decline.
I have an article here that reads, Ndigbo in Delta State endorse Right Honorable Sheriff for Governor. Ohanaeze Ndigbo in Delta Central and Delta South Senatorial District of Delta State on Thursday endorsed the governorship candidate of the People's Democratic Party (PDP), Right Honorable Sheriff, for the March 18 gubernatorial election in the state. The group, in a town hall meeting attended by the Delta State Governor, Dr. Ifeanyi Okowa, in Effurun, also endorsed all the candidates of the People's Democratic Party for the House of Assembly election and said that the endorsement was in recognition of the sterling performance of the governor and previous PDP administrations in the state. The President of Ohanaeze Ndi Igbo Delta Central and Delta South, Chief Chinedu Idama, in his remarks said that Ndigbos in Delta State will reciprocate Governor Okowa's positive support for Ndigbos by voting en masse for Sheriff and all candidates of People's Democratic Party, saying all Igbo votes are for the PDP in Delta State. In a motion for the endorsement and a vote of confidence on Okowa, Chief Francis Onora said, Ndigbos were delighted with the partnership of Okowa's administration and called on all sons and daughters of Ndigbo in the state to support Sheriff and all candidates of the People's Democratic Party. In his remark, Okowa thanked leaders of Ohanaeze for the vote of confidence of his administration and for endorsing governorship ambition of Right Honorable Francis, Sheriff. He said that Igbos were worthy partners in the development of the state and assured that Right Honorable Francis will build on the current relationship between his administration and Ndigbo in Delta State. I thank the leaders of Ohanaeze Ndigbo from various states, our women and youth of Ndigbo. Without the Igbos, life will be unbearable in many parts of the country because when you go into any place, you find that Igbos are deeply entrenched in commerce, and if they are not available in any place, it is difficult to get the things needed for the day-to-day running of the family. The Ndigbos, to the extent, are actually very industrious and important to every state. We are happy with the Igbos in Delta State because we know the impact they make in the various places they find themselves. The governor of the state continued to say, by the grace of God, we have tried to provide the enabling peace for your business to thrive, and I know that going forward, we will continue to work together for the growth and development of Delta State. Okowa urged the Igbos to support the governorship candidate of the People's Democratic Party, saying that Right Honorable Francis would continue to developing the state from where he would stop. The vote of confidence you passed on me, on my administration, I appreciate it, and may God continue to bless you. Yesterday, I was here with our governorship candidate, and by the grace of God, our incoming governor, Right Honorable Sheriff, and I am happy that you have agreed to support him and other candidates of our great party. I thank you for this promise, and I know that you have great numbers, and wherever you vote in, support will be the winning side. And I am very sure that with the backing of the Igbos, we are going to win the election on the March 18th. I came with Sheriff yesterday so that he will know the relationship that I have with you. And I can assure you that the relationship will never be broken because you are an important part of the state, he said. He urged Deltans to vote for Right Honorable Sheriff, a man of peace who would unite every part of the state and not a man who will consider only his community in the administration of the state. He wants a man who represents peace and a man who can unite Deltans further. Since 2015, we have been working to unite Deltans because when there is peace, everything works. Peace can only be when you are not oppressed. So we want a governor who will not oppress Ndigbo in Delta. We don't want a governor who will come and make us feel that we are strangers. The PDP government represents peace and unity, and that is what Sheriff will represent in the next administration. I know that there are several Igbos that are not here today, so let us mobilize them with their PVCs and vote massively for all candidates of the People's Democratic Party, Okowa added. And in Delta State, we have three major contestants in the person of Right Honorable Francis of the People's Democratic Party and the APC counterpart in the person of Ovi Omo Agege and also the Labour Party campaigner. So we are hoping that March 18 we'll have a new governor in Delta State. What is your opinion? What is your thought? Who are you going to vote for? We hope that the best candidate will win this election. Thank you for having time to listen to this video. I am Okocha Happy myself. See you on my next video. Shalom.